Hi. You might be wondering, why am I watching this video? And who is this professional-looking youth before you? Well, I'm here to tell you about dual credit. What is dual credit, you may ask?
I challenge you to a duel.
No, that's not it. Dual credit gives you the opportunity to earn college credit while you're still in high school.
Now, why would I want to do that?
Because it can save you and your family thousands of dollars, and you get up to 60 hours of college credit before you graduate.
Wait, it's free?
Yeah.
Ouch. Yes, it's free.
Do you yield?
I yield.
But alas, I am merely just a knight. What if I'm not prepared for higher education?
From preparing you for your TSI assessment to signing you up for your first class, we'll guide you every step of the way.
Splendid!
Talk to your counselor today to find out how you can enroll in dual credit. You too can become a champion.
Huzzah!